In this video, I show you how to sign up for a March by Amazon account, and I also share some super cool tips and tricks to get your March by Amazon approval faster. First thing you need to do is apply for an account, and it takes anywhere between few weeks if you are really lucky. I have even heard of some people waiting for over a year to get accepted, but you need to apply right now. So today I wanted to go over how to sign up for a March by Amazon account and also share few tips and tricks that will help you to get accepted quicker than the average person. Now I am in google.com. Now I just simply search for March by Amazon. And in search result, here you see our March by Amazon website. Web URL is march.amazon.com. I just simply open this up, and here it is. This is the March by Amazon homepage. So apply for this March by Amazon account, you need to fill up a request form. Simply click on this request invitation button. And now you need to log in with your Amazon account. If you don't have any Amazon account, then simply click on this create your own Amazon account. This time I type my name, Mashuk Sarkar, and type my email address. Type my new Amazon password and retype my password again. Now to create an Amazon account, simply hit on create your Amazon account. Now click on agree. So once you are logged in, you will see this invitation form. At first we need to put organization name. If you are just doing this by yourself, then you would enter of your full name. Or if you have an LLC or Inc., then put your company name here. This time I put my original name, Mashuk Sarkar. And then put your website URL. It is optional, but if you want to speed up the process, this should not be optional, okay? I just simply copy my website URL and paste it here. Amazon March wants you if you have an audience because they want you to drive more traffic to their website. This is great for Amazon because they see, okay, if I accept this person, they are going to be driving more traffic to Amazon, which makes them more money. So clearly, they are going to be happy about that. So fill up this field with your website. And the next one is industry type. From this drop-down menu, choose novelty t-shirt business, brands or small business. This time I suggest you to choose novelty t-shirt business and then put some additional information. And this is also optional, but I suggest you to put some additional information. This time I just simply put this information. After years of positive experience selling on Amazon, Kindle, Direct Publishing and FBA, now I would to expand my offerings to provide brilliant apparel designs printed on high quality garments using by March by Amazon platform. Just type something like that. Just explain that you are really appreciative of what Amazon do for the world and for your business. Explain that you have sold using KDP or FBA before. Alternately, you can discuss your previous experience with the other print-on-demand websites, which is I did with my previous application. Or you can discuss having released mobile apps. Anything to do with experience on online business, whether you own pod website, if you sell mobile apps, if you sell KDP or FBA, just mention it here. Just to tell them, you know, I'm ready to go, I know what I'm doing, and I cannot wait to provide amazing content through March by Amazon platform. Basically, you need to fill these two optional fields. Because of that, for the person who reviewing your application to think, yes, this is going to be a great addition to our platform. After fill up all of these fields, simply hit on send request. And here you see our request has been sent. Now they are reviewing our request and will notify via email when invitation is available. And this is the best possible way to get accepted to March by Amazon faster. Recently, I have published a brand new March by Amazon Masterclass course. Already 3,000 plus students enrolled this course. Regular price of this course is $200, but for my YouTube viewers, I am offering this course only in $9.99. Link is given in the description below. In this March by Amazon t-shirt business course, I will teach you the every step of the March by Amazon. I'm gonna talk about what the March by Amazon is, how to sign up for an account. Also, we learn the best practices and resources of March. How to find profitable make money niche with online free tools. We also design t-shirt with Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Also, we learn how to find designer if you are not a designer. And then we upload our very first t-shirt in Amazon, and I will give the in details walkthrough of that. Finally, I will share few tips and tricks from my own experience and also share lots of valuable resources to take your March by Amazon t-shirt business into the next level. Also, there is a 30 days money back guarantee with this course, so there is no risk to enroll this course right now. I hope you are excited to take this opportunity. So what are you waiting for? Don't wait for another day. Start right now. I will see you guys inside.